I have not mentioned anybody. Why are they guilty?
Mr. Vijayendra says that through this bill, these people are making.
Arey, tell Mr. Vijayendra and his entire BJP first to put their children in these shakas. Why are they behind me? If this philosophy is so good, if this संगठन is so good, पहले अपने बच्चों को डालो भाई, मुझको छोड़ दो. Why am I answering these people? There is अभी सेशन चल रहा है ना, आके उधर बात करो, बिल पे बात करो. What is the point? Why do they think it is against this संगठन? I have huge respect for RSS. I want to know them better.
The BJP leaders are.
I want to know these things better. एक मिनट भाई. RSS is a 100-year-old organization. They are the ones who are the only people who can give Desh Bhakti certificate to everybody, whether it is you, the media persons, or me. They are the ones who are certifying who are nationals and who are anti-nationals. So I want to understand them better. But definitely this bill is not the way of understanding. In fact, I have told them. I have asked them set of questions. They have not responded. Told if you could answer that, if I am not able to understand, you either come to my office or I will come to Keshav Krupa or Jagannath Bhavan, wherever it is possible. Let's understand you better. That's all I am asking. And this bill and RSS has nothing to do. Why is BJP jumping so much?
अतराफ टीवी, हर बात सच के साथ.